Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy options in Webull. First, make sure your Webull account is approved for options trading, as this is a crucial prerequisite. Next, you'll need to select the stock you're interested in and then navigate to its options chain. This chain displays various contracts available for trading. Carefully review the strike prices and expiration dates to align with your trading strategy. Remember, understanding the basics of calls and puts is essential before placing any trades. Once you're in the options chain, you'll need to decide between buying a call or a put option. Calls are for when you expect the stock price to rise, while puts are for when you anticipate a decline. Carefully consider the strike price, which is the price at which the option can be exercised, and the expiration date. Also, look at factors like implied volatility and open interest to gauge the contract's liquidity and potential price movements. After selecting your desired contract, it's time to place your order. You'll need to choose an order type, typically a limit order for better price control or a market order for immediate execution. Then, specify the number of contracts you want to buy. Each contract usually represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Always double-check all the details, including the premium, before confirming and submitting your trade to Webull. Once your order is filled, it's crucial to actively monitor your options positions. Options prices can fluctuate rapidly, so staying informed about the underlying stock's movement is key. You can choose to close your position by selling the contracts to realize profits or to cut losses before expiration. Remember, options trading involves significant risk. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.